Hello, it's How To Not To. I hope everyone is okay. In today's video, I will be using the fast wash option on my Hotpoint RD 966J washing machine, which is a 9 kilo washing machine with direct injection cycle. If you want to see me review this washing machine, please click on the link at the end of this video and you'll be able to see that. Okay, this washing machine has a fast option, which is ideal if you quickly need to wash something like, for example, pet bedding, and that is what I'm going to do actually. So this is the cat's bedding that needs a good clean, so I'm going to pop them in the washing machine, and we've got these blankets and bed cushions. I'm also going to add this, which is Lenol's In Wash Scent Booster. These are tiny balls that give off a very nice odour to your washing. So these go directly into the drum like so. It's quite pricey, but you don't need a lot, just a handful will do the job. I'm also going to add Comfort Perfume Deluxe Conditioner. This one is the Heavenly Nectar, which again has a beautiful smell. And finally, I'm going to add surf detergent into the dispenser drawer. Okay, we now want to set the wash machine to fast wash setting. I currently have it set at synthetics wash cycle, so we're going to need to change that to fast wash, and I forgot what it is, what number it should be. The good thing about this wash machine is in the dispenser drawer there is a list of wash cycles, so that's easily available. Just pull this out. So the number I need is 14. And I'm going to turn the dial to 14. And it's now showing on the display screen the fast wash cycle, which is another good feature about the Hotpoint wash machine. It has a display thing there which obviously displays the what the cycle is and the length of time it will take to completely do the wash cycle. So that's convenient to have there. This is the first time I'm using this fast wash cycle, so I hope it will wash the bedding fully and leave it nice and clean. It's only going to take 30 minutes to do, and in that time I'm going to make myself a quick snack and I'll be right back. I made a rhyme. Okay, that's it. The wash cycle is complete, and I'm just going to remove them out the washing machine. Yeah, they do smell really nice, and it's completely removed all the stains it had on there. So yeah, the cat is going to really be pleased with that, aren't you, boy? The Hotpoint washing machine does have a dry cycle as well, but as it's such a nice day, I'm just going to hang them out in the garden. And what you can hear in the background are the cats playing there, so just ignore that. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell to see more videos from How To Not To. Stay safe. Bye for now.